Welcome to the Blum booth at InterZoom 2019. Today I'd like to show you a latest product category by Blum. It's called Pocket Systems. Pocket Systems can be used to hide any area of the home that you'd like, just to keep things out of the way. As you can see, with a light touch of the front, the folding doors are easy slid into one of the cabinets, which we're calling pockets. Not only do we have the system available for a double bifold door, we also have it available for a single door. Now I can access all of my things as if the doors weren't ever there in the first place. They're also quite easy to close. As you can see, there are no handles on these doors. I'd like to also show you our solution if your doors does have handles. Also, solutions for single doors. Pocket doors are great for hiding things in your home that you don't want people to see when unexpected company comes over. We also not only created these because they're functional, but we also created them because we wanted to give our manufacturers a product that was easy to assemble, install, and adjust. So please let us know what you think, leave some comments, and stay tuned tomorrow when we bring you some more moving ideas from Cologne.